Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study mechanical engineering. First, establish a strong foundation in mathematics and physics. Dedicate time to understanding calculus, differential equations, and linear algebra, as these are the bedrock of engineering. Simultaneously, master physics concepts like classical mechanics, thermodynamics, and electromagnetism. These foundational subjects will provide the essential tools for tackling more complex engineering problems later on. Next, dive into the core mechanical engineering disciplines. Solid mechanics will teach you about how materials deform under load, while fluid mechanics explores the behavior of liquids and gases. Thermodynamics is crucial for understanding energy conversion and heat transfer. Finally, machine design will equip you with the knowledge to create and analyze mechanical components, ensuring they function safely and efficiently in various applications. Practical application is key to solidifying your understanding. Engage in hands-on projects, even small ones, to apply theoretical knowledge. Become proficient with engineering software like CAD for design and FEA or CFD for analysis, which are indispensable tools in modern engineering. Additionally, learning a programming language such as Python or MATLAB will significantly enhance your problem-solving capabilities and efficiency. As you progress, consider specializing in areas that genuinely interest you, such as robotics, aerospace, or biomechanics. Continuous learning is vital. Stay updated with new technologies and industry advancements through journals and online resources. Building a robust portfolio of your projects will demonstrate your practical skills and dedication to potential employers or collaborators. Remember, self-study is a marathon, not a sprint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.